like to say goodbye to beautiful Guspa. Look forward to coming back here. Now we're headed to Sarchu via Balachala. That'll be some amazing adventurous ride. I hope it snows there. That'll be some experience. So off to Sarchu. I shall see you all. Let's go. Enjoy Sarchu. A ride to Sarchu via Balachala requires one to have not just the skill, but also the strength and resilience it takes to overcome the odds. Odds such as water crossings, off-roading, thin air, and extreme winds. But it's all worth it. But the landscape is embellished with some breathtaking views and also a couple of beautiful lakes. The Suraj Tal and Deepak Tal. So just reached this beautiful lake on our way. It's called the Deepak Tal and it's breathtaking. This view is out of the world. Mesmerizing, magical. So there's this waterfall which fills the lake and gives it the beauty it has. Due to time constraint, there's barely a stopover at the lake. But just passing by the water body was enough to refresh the senses. I believe I can fly! Wow! Just see that for sheer beauty, and now see this. So big shout out to all those who come here visiting these areas. Please do not do this. Destination Balachala. Might be some fun. On the previous occasion at Balachala, the pass was ridden with hazards. The non-existent road was dangerously slippery due to heavy snowfall, the visibility was poor, and the winds were strong enough to rattle a reasonably heavy 500cc bike. Stopping over wasn't even a possibility I considered. So we have reached the pristine Suraj Tal Lake. I mean, it gets better. As we move ahead, it just gets better. This is God's own art room, you know. It's the only kind of place in the whole of the world. Yeah, the ride's coming along. Balachala has changed dramatically from then. The once inhospitable pass seemed to have a friendlier attitude. A bright sunny day had lit up the surroundings like it was showcasing the majestic prowess of the land, which captures and compels your imagination with its spectacular views. So we finally reached the famous Balachala pass, one among the sisters here. There's 6 or 7 such high passes. Makes the land that it is, the land of high passes. Well, I'm just so lucky I could be here. Well, I can't breathe easily because we are at 16,000 plus. As we tread ahead, it is going to get even more beautiful. While there was no real adventure on offer, Balachala made up for it by being a generous host. आराम से गिर गया संभालो. Post crossing a challenging pass, some riders tend to get a little carefree and sometimes a tad overconfident. And in my experience, it invariably results in a fall. And while I say that, I would like to mention that even the most skillful riders can at times succumb to a tricky passing and fall. But overconfidence is a certain recipe for disaster on these passes. So always be alert. Don't let your guard down even for a second. And God willing, you will reach your destination in one piece. We're closing in, very close to Sarchu. Take a lunch break. I'm hungry, a little out of breath. But the best of the spirit. We have here these lovely dhabas, and we are close to Sarchu now. Post a heavy lunch, The ride will stop at Sarchu eventually for the day. We'll halt for the night there. I just had bread omelette and Maggie and some fried rice. All of it was delicious. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा खाना बना रहे हैं आप. Thank you. वो अंदर जो खाना बना रहे हैं वो आपके हस्बैंड नहीं क्या? बहुत अच्छा कपल है आप दोनों और बहुत प्यार से सर्व कर रहे हैं सबको. थैंक यू. ये हमारे मार्शल है, हमारे गाइड है, मार्गदर्शक जिन्हें कहा जाता है. एंड ये है हमारे बाइक डॉक्टर. तो कुछ हो जाता है तो ये आते हैं, इलाज करते हैं. इनको पल्स पता है बाइक की और खुद भी बहुत ही बढ़िया बाइक चलाते हैं. ही इज एन अमेजिंग राइडर. थैंक यू यार. A night halt at Sarchu is a grim prospect for most. Located at around 14,000 feet, the barren area is the gateway to Ladakh, a must stop for travelers and also the first stop at a daunting altitude. Sarchu gets you acquainted with the flip side of travel in Ladakh and toughens you up for the days to come. I can see somebody's made a cricket pitch here in the middle of nowhere. Well, there's always room for cricket. And there's some camps out there. We have touched Sarchu and I'm sure it'll be a great stay. Look forward to. This is the camp where we be staying for the night. This is Sarchu. It's absolutely barren and beautiful. I just love this place. This is probably the 6th or 7th time I'm coming here. And every time I come here, it looks different. So this is tent number 5. This is going to be my humble abode for the night. Yes, well, humble is probably the wrong word because quite a luxury, as you can make out. It looks quite cozy. This sorts me for the night. क्या पक रहा है वैसे आज? क्या बना रहे हो? क्या खिला रहे हो? हाँ जी? राजमा की. अच्छा. और क्या है? उसके बाद चपाती. अच्छा जी. राइस. वेरी गुड. खीर. वेरी गुड जी. वेरी गुड. इस जगह पे ये सब मिल गया मतलब ये तो अपने आप में ना जश्न है. चलो जी. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके जी. मिलते हैं फिर. बाय बाय. It must easily be in minus the temperature. It's freezing out here. And I can't talk much because I'm quite breathless. I am feeling so bloody cold. I do not normally feel cold. So a nice soup helps. And I hope it's just a passing thing because the days ahead and the places we are going to are going to be colder.